Okay, so in this video, I'm again with John Crestani, Master Performance Marketer, Master Affiliate Marketer, and I want to talk about the fact that affiliate marketing tends to get a bad rap sometimes and what people can do to get around it. So why, in the first place, why do you think affiliate marketing gets a bad rap in the first place?
I think it gets a bad rap because some affiliates push it too far.
What are some examples of that?
Examples of people putting up ads where you click on them and it freezes your computer unless you call a certain phone number. Because affiliates know they can just insert some JavaScript and freeze your computer, and if they're being paid out to get phone calls to a company, they push the boundaries there. Or
because they're so focused on the conversion, they just want to make money.
Or if affiliates are incentivized to get sales of a certain product, they might make claims that are unwarranted. They might say something like, oh, Dr. Oz recommends this, this product. Dr. Oz, Oprah, and The Rock all recommend this product. So you should buy it, and people will buy it thinking those people recommended it, and the affiliate will make the commission. But because the affiliate pushed a little too hard to get the sale, and they basically did something that's unethical and irresponsible, and frankly, it's just illegal.
So what I'm hearing is affiliate marketers can sometimes push the boundaries so much that they can make a brand almost look bad. Basically, I can take a really good product and run it on like a porn site, and that can just totally destroy the reputation.
Or that, yeah. Or you could advertise in places the person doesn't want to advertise. Maybe there are people on porn sites that want to buy a product, but the owner of that brand doesn't want their product advertised on porn sites. That's a perfect example.
Right. So how do people do affiliate marketing or performance marketing the right way? And the reason I say performance marketing too is because people are operating on performance, right? So how do you tend to do affiliate marketing the right way? So how do people do it the right way, the John Crestani way?
This is the John Crestani way of affiliate marketing. First, I would say work with companies that you trust. ClickFunnels is a perfect example. I trust ClickFunnels. Work with companies where you can look up the owner, and the owner is a reputable person, an ethical person, a responsible person. I haven't met him, but I know Russell Brunson, and he's owner of ClickFunnels, and he's a great person. So work with companies that you trust. And as I said, you could even make your own deals. Another way to do affiliate marketing the right way is make sure you have that dialogue. Make sure you have communication back and forth with whoever you're working with. If you're thinking about doing advertising on porn sites, for instance, communicate that. Say, hey, is this okay? But I think it's just really, you've got to treat it you can't treat it like some sort of get rich quick thing. You have to treat it like a business. You're working with clients. These affiliate companies are your clients, and you've got to have that two-way communication.
Basically, what I'm hearing is treating the client as if it was you're part of their marketing team too, and you want to do things that are kind of above water.
Exactly,
right.
Exactly.
Great. All right, so if you enjoyed this video and you want to continue to get better at marketing, make sure you leave a comment below. Let us know what you're going to do about this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and also subscribe to John Crestani's channel as well.
Yeah, check it out. This guy is the master. Definitely learn from this guy.